Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by identifying the metal button and why it failed: corrosion, loose shank, or torn fabric. Grab a heavy needle, strong polyester or nylon thread, pliers and all, and a replacement rivet or button kit. This prevents improvisation later. Once done, protect the jacket by placing scrap leather or masking tape behind the area, and mark alignment with a 1/2 ruler so the new button sits straight. This first step reduces further damage and speeds the repair. You now remove the old button carefully. Use pliers to loosen the shank or cut stitches without enlarging the hole. Next, clean and, if necessary, slightly enlarge the opening with an also the new post seats properly. Add a small fabric patch or iron an interfacing behind the area to distribute stress. Then position the replacement button and its backer. Test the fit and alignment by holding it in place. Because securing a misaligned metal button, you finish by crimping or setting the rivet with the proper die. Apply steady, controlled pressure so the metal seats without cracking fabric. Once done, make several reinforcing stitches through the shank with heavy thread, knot securely, and hide ends inside the garment. Finally, test the button under normal use. If it wobbles, retighten or replace the rivet, but do not over-tighten as that can split the backing. If seams tear, add a larger patch and repeat the set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.